I'd like to share with you the greatest story ever told. A lot of people have asked about this shirt I've shown in a few videos, and I want to share with you the greatest story. It's a story about Jesus. And Jesus came down to earth, and he lived on earth for 33 years. The last 3 years was the most important, as he worked with his followers and he taught people about life of God and how important God was to them. He was crucified on a Roman cross. He died for our sins. He was buried in a cave for 3 days, and after 3 days, a miracle. He arose from the dead. And he stayed on earth after his death for 40 days. Over 400 people saw him and learned lessons from him. There's historical records of it. But after the 40 days, he arose again, but he went into heaven. They say he went up into the clouds, the witnesses that saw it. And the promise is that he's going to return back to earth, back to Jerusalem is where he will come, and he will come back to rule forever. Pay attention to this life. It's almost undisputed by people who actually have taken a look at the science. This man, this God, did in fact live and will return. Hey, sign up for my subscription and learn more about this person, about Jesus, and the impact on you and the impact on nature. Hey, thank you. This is Mose. God bless you and your family.